Good morning, students. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Today, we'll know about the various festivals of India. First, the greatest festival of the Hindus. It's Holi. We all celebrate Holi with great enthusiasm and joy. Second one, the main festival of Bihar. It's Chhat. Chhat, also called Dala Chhat. Surya Vrat is an ancient and major Vedic festival celebrated in Bihar. It is celebrated twice a year, once in the summers called the Chaiti Chhat and once around a week after Deepavali called the Kartik Chhat. Third one, the harvest festival of Punjab. It's Baisakhi. It's celebrated once in a year. Next one, the harvest festival of Kerala. It is Onam. According to legends, the festival is celebrated to commemorate King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam. It is a harvest festival, one of three major Hindu celebrations along with Vishu and Thiruvatira, and it is observed with numerous festivities. The famous snake boat race is conducted during this festival of Onam. The next one, the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is Pongal. It is basically a harvesting festival, or it can be considered as the Thanksgiving festival, because this festival is celebrated to thank the sun god and Lord Indra for helping farmers in getting better yielding crops. During the festival, people reject old belongings and welcome new stuff. Next is the festival of lights. It's Diwali. Diwali is celebrated on the 15th day of Kartika. This festival commemorates Lord Rama's return to his kingdom Ayodhya after completing his 14-year exile. The most beautiful of all Indian festivals, Diwali is a celebration of lights, enthusiasm, and joy. On this day, in the evening, we also worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi with great enthusiasm. Next is, which is the festival of colors? It is Holi. Now, there is a symbolic legend to explain why Holi is celebrated as a festival of triumph of good over evil in the honor of Hindu god Vishnu and his devotee Prahlad. As the fire roared, the cloak flew from Holika and encased Prahlad, who survived while Holika burned. The next one, the festival of Maharashtra. It's Ganesh Chaturthi. Next one, the main festival of the Muslims. It's Eid al-Fitr, commonly known as Eid. Tenth one, the main festival of Christians. It is Christmas, which is celebrated every year on 25th December on the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. So, children, now see the slide and just recapitulate all the festivals which India celebrates. So, thank you, children, and have a nice day ahead.